Ants are one of the most common pests we encounter. They can be more than just a nuisance. They can cause food contamination and structural damage. Hi, I'm James Pruden with Plunkett's Pest Control. Today, I'm going to discuss how we can keep those pesky ants away from your home. Start by inspecting the exterior of their home for ant harborage areas where ants may nest or trail. Look for things like excess mulch or soil buildup, firewood stacked against the home, tree stumps, fallen branches, leaf litter, clogged gutters, or wooden posts in contact with the soil. Also, you want to trim back any tree branches or shrubs that may be touching your house, as these are often used as bridges for ants to get into your home. Next, you want to seal up all entry points into the home, areas like water and utility lines, foundational lines, around doors and windows. Even the smallest crack can be an entry point for an ant. If you notice moisture damaged wood to your property, address it promptly. Carpenter ants don't eat the wood, they excavate it to make their nests with it. Replacing damaged wood can prevent a much larger problem from happening. Inside, sanitation is key. Ants can smell even the smallest of crumbs. Keeping up with sweeping and mopping, making sure food is stored in airtight containers, removes the food sources that ants want in your home. Now, no home is perfectly sealed, but by taking these proactive steps, this will drastically reduce ant activity in and around your home. If the problem continues, you know who to call. Plunkett has been helping homeowners like you for over 100 years.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more pest control tips, check out these videos or subscribe to our channel.